My lunch today is this is cicoria. They called cicoria here in Italy. And this one is adobo. All-time favorite Filipino, and then white rice. White rice. So let's eat. It's yummy. This one they called here costatili di maiale. So yummy. Sa Bisaya, lami kaayo. Lami. Perting lami Sinipag ako magluto. Kaya, ayan. Yummy. Buono, buono. Verdure fa bene sempre nel nostro corpo. It's so healthy. Vegetable, very healthy. And then meat we need also because we need protein. And carbohydrates, rice for the power of our body. Sa mga seaman at saka seawoman, tinatawag nila no rice, no power. Bye.